The safety of Waterworks industry professionals is extremely important to your company, the AWWA, and Waterworks Industry Solutions. Safety programs are in place both to protect you, the employee, and also protect the general public who might interact with the construction site.
The American Waterworks Association, AWWA, has created a safety policy which states, AWWA believes a safe work environment is of utmost importance for individuals in the water industry. It is of paramount importance to protect those who safeguard their community water supplies. It is the duty of each utility manager, supervisor, and worker to establish safety standards and to see safety as an integral part of their daily work process. Safety must take precedence over shortcuts. As unsafe conditions are discovered, they should be addressed and corrected. Safety practices established by state, local, and federal agencies should be regarded as minimum standards by all individuals in the water industry.
There are 4 principles of occupational safety to remember. These principles are: all accidents are preventable, all levels of management are responsible for safety, all employees must be properly trained to safely perform every job task, and all employees are responsible for their safety as well as their co-workers.
We can only cover general safety practices throughout this training DVD. Each situation carries a certain level of risk. It is important that you consult your company's safety guidelines specific to the operation you are performing or the environment you will be working in.
Some basic safety equipment may include, but not be limited to, the following items: safety glasses, a hard hat, protective clothing, gloves, and other types of protective gear.
Most of the safety situations we will be discussing in this instructional video have to do with the use of hand, electrical, pneumatic, gasoline, or hydraulic equipment. Some basic principles when using any type of cutting equipment are: operate tools within their design limitations, use appropriate protective clothing and gear, inspect power cords regularly, keep work locations clean, dry, and use safety guards. Always make sure you are appropriately trained on the use of equipment and understand all safety guidelines regarding the use of this equipment.
Your local, state, or federal agency issues laws and guidelines that must be followed. We cannot overstate how important safety is to you and your company. These instructional DVDs are a general guide for installations only.